Hi guys! Welcome back on my YouTube channel. For today's video, gagawa tayo ng Valentine's gift for your loved one. So, as you can see, we have box and also meron ako nireti dito, no? Yan, roses and red canterbury bells. So, i-discuss ko ano bang magandang flowers ang pwede nyo iregalo for your loved one ngayong Valentine. So, as you can see, ayan yung aking roses. So, yan lang yung haba niya and pinalibutan ko siya ng red canterbury sa paligid niya kasi para hindi makita yung mga spaces. So, ginamitan ko rin siya ng roses, no? And, yan, kung gusto niyo matuto ng red canterbury bells, meron akong upcoming videos na i-upload. Kaya, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell para ma-notify ka sa aking i-upload na videos. And kung bakit ko ba napili ang red canterbury bells ngayong Valentine's because it's a symbolize of gratitude, faith, and constancy and also represents of humility, attractiveness, and everlasting love. So, sakto to sa mga nasa relationship, sa mga mag-asawa, magjowa, yung roses ng Canterbury Bells because it's everlasting love for your relationship. And also, ang Canterbury Bells kasi, meron siyang attractiveness of sweet. So, ang mga babae is likas ng mga sweet yan. And of course, meron din tayong Ferrero and meron tayong Happy Valentine's Day na merong gift. And of course, meron na rin personalized messages for your loved one. And meron tayong cup noodles and meron tayong sneakers and meron din tayong mochi and of course curdy tap and meron din siyang kasamang lollipop and meron na din yung kasamang LED light para dagdag ganda. And of course, meron din tayo diyang freebies na hair clip para sa inyong loved one. So ayan, ginawa ko maliit at malaki for your daughter and also the mother. It depends po 'yan kung anong gusto nyong color. So just let me know kung anong color ang gusto nyong gawin ko. So yan is red kasi yan yung request ng ating viewer. So red daw yung gagawin nating design. So ayan yung aking idea and yan yung good idea na ireregalo nyo sa inyong loved one. Yung red canterbury bells and also roses is a symbolize of feminine talaga and everlasting love sa inyong relationship. So, makikita nyo yung final result niyan doon sa dulo ng aking videos. Ayan, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for notification para sa aking how to make a canterbury bell flower. So, i-upload ko yan soon. So, stay tuned ka lang. And ayan, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment ka dyan sa chat box ko kung nagustuhan mo yung aking video. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat and happy Valentine's sa inyong lahat. And God bless you all. Enjoy watching. Bye! God bless you.